Namaskar. Let's just start the fifth variation of the Bhastrika Pranayam that can make and bring for you a lots of benefit in your life, in daily life, in corporate life, and your business life, even in your family life, even your couple life, even in spiritual growth you are doing. That time, a lots of benefit you will gain. Very simple. So hands should go up. You apply their seed mantra when you are doing this breathing exercise. So when you raise the hand up, you have to mentally chant S-O, so. When you exhale, when you are bringing the hand down, H-U-M, hum. How long, how many times in a one round? One round according your breath and body capacity, not more than 10 and 12 number. Don't cross the more than 12 number, otherwise you exhausted. So that's why 10 or 12 time is enough in a one round. How many rounds you have to do? At least 3 round is enough. So I will do in this fifth variation of Bhastrika Pranayam, this 3 rounds. You will see the timing and all these things. And a benefit, I will make you count it, the lots of benefit of Bhastrika Pranayam. So hand should go up, or you do, if you are very weak from back, you will put the hand like that. If you are okay from your back and you are not too much your age, you can do straight away your hand like that, in this way. If you are weak body or we are 50, 52, you can do also this way. This benefit you will gain, definitely. So inhalation time so, exhalation time hum. Mentally, so, hum. So hum, so hum, so hum, so hum, like that. I am chanting to make you understand. You don't chant, mentally chant. The breath has its own seed mantra that you are going to apply in Bhastrika Pranayam. So means I am, hum means with you. What you are, that I am. What I am, that you are. So there is no difference between Jiva Atma and Paramatma. There is just illusion. Kama, Krodh, Lobh, Maya and Ahankar. Kama, sex, growth, angriness, love, greediness. And Maya, materialistic thing. And ego, I. That make the difference and divide from the Paramatma. So this day through the pranayama, bij mantra you will apply, you will find that Paramatma, the God is here, is not far from you. He's living here. This is the whole, this area is, this area of the circle is the home, the shelter of the God. So I'm going to explain you second round. So, hum. Without breath for few seconds, till as you can stay without breath is a comfortable time. That way you can stop and then down your hand. Interlock of your finger, spontaneous breath. Body will take natural breath. You should not force for the breath. It should go in natural way. This is the second one. When you feel your body and mind is coming in harmony, third round. So, when your hand is up, so. When hand is go down, hum. Hum. For a few seconds without breath and takes a natural breath. You don't take effort for the breath. It should go naturally, your breath. So lots of benefit of this pranayam. So first benefit, your heart chakra get activated. Some people who are blocked from the Anahat center, they have this emotional sometime trauma or sadness or the blockness and negative thoughts are coming, influence the heart chakra. They don't the detachment from the world. So they have this kind of thought will come with the positive environment, positive energy. And from the health point of view, their lungs and the heart gets stronger. You will be never suffer from the your arteries get blocked or something like that in future. Cholesterol level get higher. You are free from this kind of the health issue. Your heart is very stronger. You will be very healthier. You will be very younger. And the next benefit, your throat get always stronger. You will never suffer from the tonsillitis problem, bronchitis, asthma, breathing problem. And your who are the singers, if they have a singing problem, so they will not suffer from this kind of the health issue. Who have a sinusitis, they are free from the sinusitis. Who have a migraine and the headache, if they have a migraine, that time they have to avoid this practice. When they are normal, they have to attend this type of the practice. They are free from the migraine problem. And who has a problem of the black dark circle or a hair losing, this kind of the problem, or white hair is going very quickly, so they will stop this graying of the hair, and the lots of benefit of Bhastrika Pranayam. I'm going to finish here Bhastrika Pranayam variation. Har Har Mahadev.